So, ano 'tong Internet of People, 'di ba? So, yung Internet of People is yung relationship ng mga tao, flowing through technology, no? Ito ay ginagamit lalo sa healthcare. So, yung collection, processing, and communicating ng mga tao is through digital means. It is the digitalization of relationships. Ibig sabihin, lahat nung nangyayari is done to electronic means or to digital means. So, yun yung bago natin natututunan. Meron tayong tinatawag na IoT o Internet of Things na lahat is nangyayari sa internet. Yung connectivity is ginagamit yung internet and technology. Ito naman yung tao. Yung tao ang gumagamit ng technology para makipag-communicate at magkaroon ng connection. So, yun lang po.